Good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Master Dipesh Shabawat and I am from class 9th B. Today I am going to host the assembly. So please join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for the prayer.
Namaskar. Today's prayer. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं ममदेव देव त्वमेव सर्वं ममदेव देव तुम ही हो माता पिता तुम्हें हो तुम ही हो माता पिता तुम्हें हो तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो
call my friend for the thought of the day.
Good morning, my dearest teachers and my friends. Today I am Tapasvi going to say thought of the day. Thought. People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel. Explanation. The quote gives a very beautiful message that we should not make someone bad in life because how you make them for whole life they may forget your words or action but will never forget how you treat them. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day.
Now, I would like to invite my friend to enlighten us with his views.
Namaskar friends, I am Yashvi Patel from 6th B. Today I want to deliver a speech on health and fitness. Remember, when wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, something is lost. But once Dalai Lama said that happiness is the highest form of wealth. Happiness will come when we will be healthy and fit. Today we live in a world where we value things more than people's, or more than families, food more than health, status more than life. We are mad after money and social status and forgot importance of our health. So please do yoga to remain fit and fine. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite my friend for the pledge.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shanai Bhargav from 5th B. I tell to pledge. India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and very rich race, I still always strive to be worth of it. I still respect my parents, teachers and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I place my devotion to my country and its people, my happiness. Thank you.
Now, I would like to request you all to raise for the national anthem. Start the national anthem.
1, 2, 3, 4. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय